off Blouberg Strand. A massive air, sea and shoreline search continues for well-known kiteboarder Graham House, who went missing off Eden-on-Bay in Blouberg Strand on Sunday. National Sea Rescue Institute's Craig Lambernon says the rescue organization was activated on Sunday evening following reports from his family that 38-year-old House had not returned from an afternoon kiteboarding session. Alerts have been issued to the maritime community as well as the communities along the west coast to keep an eye open.
We are appealing to the local community and the fishing, sailing, private and commercial maritime community in the area between Blouberg Beach and northwest along the west coast towards Dasson Island and beyond to keep a sharp lookout. Search grids, taking into account weather, wind and sea currents, indicate the search area to extend out to sea from Eden-on-the-Bay and out to sea in a northwest direction between Blouberg Strand and Robben Island, and out to sea beyond Bokpunt and past the vicinity between Eiselfontein and Dasson Island. An accomplished kiteboarder wearing a wetsuit, Graham remains missing despite the extensive sea, air and shoreline search that continued into the early hours of Monday morning. All possibilities are being investigated in this ongoing search operation. Camera footage obtained by local security indicates sighting Graham on his blue and black kiteboard with a white kite sail that has red writing on it in a black wetsuit at after 1 p.m. on Sunday in the vicinity offshore of Eden-on-the-Bay.